Hello guys, this is Pallavi. I'm going to discuss about how to do Modi Care shopping today. So most of you heard about Modi Care. Some people are thinking that this is a network business. You have to invest your money and you may lose your money. Then this is like a fraud thing that you cannot do. But some people are thinking in a good way and then they took as like a positive way and they did a good business over there and then they came up in our life and they are in success level in the Modi Care today. So lot of the people having confusions what exactly the Modi Care is nothing but here only routine shopping you are doing. It's just like our supermarket shopping, so nothing else is there. Here you have to use the benefit of the Modi Care, and that means that offers you have to utilize, and then you have to save the money first. Gradually you can convert that offers as a business. Whatever offers they are giving, that you can utilize, and then gradually you can convert it as a business. For that you should know what are the offers Modi Care giving. Second thing, what are the products are available that you can buy it from the Modi Care. Third, how you can make it as your business without investment. So even though company closed also, you no need to worry because you are getting benefit from the company and then you are not investing to the company. So that is what it is, like a safest business you can start in the Modi Care. So let's start. What are the offers Modi Care giving? First one is above 1000 rupees purchasing, they are giving one free product which is worth of about 10% discount. So along with this they are giving BV point and PV point. What is this BV point? BV point means business volume. For each product they are giving one business volume, or BV point they are giving. So that one they will calculate with the present discount what you are getting. Means if you are a fresher or in the beginners, you will be getting 7% discount on the product. So that BV point they will calculate into the 7% and then they will give it to you as a cashback. And what about PV point? PV point also like a BV point only. They will give some more point to the product that will be helpful for your discount. That means your as per the PV point your discount will increase. So for example, you are a fresher now, or you are the new business person to the Modi Care now. You are started to purchase the Modi Care product. In the beginning, they will give product with the 7% discount. How long they will give? Until your volume PV point will be till 300. You will be fit for the 7% discount. Later, once it crossed to 301 to 1200, then you will be getting 10% discount on your product. So like that it will increase 10% to 13%, 15% and 16%. So this is the second offer company is giving to you. And third option is the like job. So job, how do you get job here? When you join to the Modi Care, you are not joining as a customer. Suppose you are buying product from the Modi Care won't tell you are a customer. That Modi Care is taking you as a employer, and then you will employed as a consultant. So you are working as a consultant. So there is no company giving any work without any proper qualification. Here in the beginning you will join as a consultant, then as a senior consultant, then assistant supervisor as like a director, next level. So you can think like that. If you want to become a director, you should have proper qualification. Unless proper qualification, you cannot become director. Not only director, any post. So they will think about your graduation, but here there is no graduation required. If you are talented, you can utilize the offer. Along with that you can do the business without any investment. There is no loss for you. So these are the third option company giving you. That is the third offer. Next offer is the loyalty. If you are able to purchase 1800 to 2500 rupees for each month, if you buying constantly for 6 months, on the 7th month you will get 80% of the average of product in the 7th month. Like that another 6 months also they are going to continue, and the 7th month they will give that 80% discount offer, and then yearly once again they will calculate, yearly 3 times you will get 80% discount. So that will be like a saving of the money. Suppose you are able to purchase 2500 rupees above, then you will get 120% discount of free product in the 7th month if you are doing constant purchase for 6 months. As like I told you in the beginning offer with the 80% discount, here 120% discount will be applicable to the 7th month, and again after 6 months again it will be applicable yearly twice, and once again all whole year they will consider. So totally thrice you will get that offer. These are the offers Modicare giving to you. So these are the three offers they are giving. Loyalty offers, one is easiest, that you can purchase for the 1800 purchase for every month, go for the 80% discount, and the fastest is the, like if you are getting more BV point, so within a month or within a month or 2 months you are getting before crossing the 10% discount, so they will give one reward to you, and most rewarding is the 120% discount on the 7th month. So one point you have to note it here, that whether you are getting PV point or BV point from you or from your team, whoever joining down to you, it will come to your account, that point will be applicable to you. So PV point and BV point, you no need to struggle alone, so teamwork will be helpful for you. So whether you are doing alone or from the team you are getting, it doesn't matter. So this is the good thing in the offer. So what to purchase in the Modicare? So we have a confusion now. First of all, we should know what are the things available in the Modicare, what we can purchase to get or utilize these offers. Let's see what are the things are available in the Modicare. Groceries. So almost all routine groceries are available other than some grains and rice and all. So like coffee, tea or oil, masala powders, and some pasta, and then coconut oil, honey, so ghee, and something like amla, chocolate types and all, like it's good for health, green tea, all these kinds of products are available. Groceries are available in the Modicare. Next is personal care also available. Whatever personal care like shampoo, toothpaste, toothbrush, and whatever soaps, and then bathing brush or hand sanitizer, whatever you required as a personal care, that will be available in the Modicare. And the healthcare, Ayurveda from Well products, it has a good with the low price. It has a good quality of Ayurveda. It's in a best level in the India now. So compared to other companies, now Modicare providing the good quality of Ayurveda product, you can use as immunity booster for or else you can utilize for the other health issues. You can consult your consultant doctor and you can use those product. You can get benefit. Laundry things are available like detergent, soap, liquid, whatever required for the laundry things you are getting over there. And baby case also available. I never used baby case because I don't have a baby, so that's what I don't aware what exactly the things required, but whatever things required it will be available in the Modicare. So, and gold plated jewelries are available, good quality gold plated, so you can use it for the long time. And then watches, branded watches are available. In coming days they are going to approach new models, that also you can purchase over there. Agriculture products, actually agriculture products having a good mark on in the Modicare. There is no farmer told it is a worst product they are getting. They are getting very nice yield in this product. So I think for the farmers this is the best product, they can get it from the Modicare. So next is the electronics. So nowadays we are struggling with the radiation because of using high mobile and laptops and all we are using. We can go for the Enviro chip as well as the Enviro Globe. Both are available in the Modicare. It has a lifetime, means a long life shelf. There is no warranty or guarantee for a short time. It is a lifelong warranty they are going to give. That is one best thing we are getting in the Modicare. And for your car shine, you are getting auto wash and glow. And then devotional also you are getting, like agarbatti we can say with the different fragrance you are getting. And then kitchen cleaners, detergent bar or the liquid you are getting. And then scrub also available, vegetable washing liquid without any harmful chemicals you are getting over there. And then silver cleaner, you may have pure silver at your home but you are unable to clean properly, it's getting darker, so in that cases you can use this silver dip. It will come for I think 2 or 3 days, I'm not sure about that. You can read about the product details, and then as per their instruction if you use, so you can maintain your silver properly for long time. It is only for the pure silver. And cosmetics for girls, whatever kind of cosmetics they require, everything is there, like nail polish, lipsticks, eyeliner, and some colors whatever they are applying to their face or eyes, whatever, everything available in the cosmetics part. And then gifts, this much is there means of course gift will be there. So watches are there, jewelries are there, cosmetics are there, wellness is there, baby kit, perfume, all these things are there. This and all you can give it to your loved ones. So what benefit you will get by buying gift over here? You will get good BV point, good PV point, so you will get cashback and you will get high discount. So this and all benefit you can get from here. Instead of purchasing gifts from other place, you can go for the Modicare. So you will get a good impression from your family, your loved one or your friends, because it has a good quality in the product. So these are the offers or the products are available in the Modicare. How cool it is, all in one shop. It is just like a multi-purpose supermarket. There are many supermarkets are there. They are providing only the groceries and vegetables and some cosmetics, that's all. So but there is no shops I have seen like healthcare product, agricultural, cosmetics, household things, and as well as baby things, as well as groceries available in one market. So in future Modicare becoming a big supermarket, you will get more and more benefit over there, so you can use in a good way. So which offer I go for? These are the offers are there. Which one will be apply for me? So because our financial things is different, others financial things is different. Maybe some person is rich, they can buy every month 2500 rupees cost product. So but I am not that much rich, I can purchase only 1000 rupees product each month. So we have to see our the status, whether I can go for the high offer or the low offer. Suppose you can't go for the high offer, don't jump, you can go for the low offer only. It may take little time to grow up, but you will grow up. So that is what offer you can apply, you have to think about that. Suddenly you should not jump. Suppose you think about I will purchase 2500 rupees each month, and then what happens is 1 month you will purchase, second month you will purchase, third month there will be extra things that will be at home, you cannot purchase and money may not be there. So you should not over rush, you should think I will put step one by one. So what we can do, you can go for the 1000 rupees purchase. What benefit you will get? One free product you will get, PV point and BV point you will get. So okay, you will think no, I can purchase 1800 rupees to 2500 rupees. Suppose you are going through this, you will get 80% loyalty, PV point and BV point. No, finally you can think, if you are really can do 2500 not 1 rupees shopping every month, you can go for that. On the 7th month you will get 120% loyalty, so 62% benefit along with saving for your house. Saving is earning, that means what you are saving, that only the earning. First you should save yourself, then only you can tell others to save the money, so you can make them to save. So that is like a income you are getting over there first. So when you tell others about this, they also will think about that. After that they may join to your team, and then you may get BV and PV point from them also, and then you will get cashback also, discount offers also. This kind of small business you can do over here. Afterwards you can grow up. So what should I get benefit, what should I do get benefit of these offers? So we should think in a proper way. So what you have to do exactly, check which offer you can go for. So you cannot go for the high offer, go for the small offer, no issues at all. You can go, you can slowly you can grow. So that is what, don't make hurry for that. Next, shop in one shop constantly. Few days, few months or few days you will purchase here. Next you will think, okay, another shop giving another offer, you will jump over there. 1 or 2 months you will purchase over there. Next, that also you will stop, another shop you will consider. So like this if you do, you will not allow for any offers, you will not get any offers, you will lose everything. And then better you have one membership card at home, because it is too difficult to maintain one membership card at home, because you cannot purchase 5,000 6,000 rupees each month for your home. That is the reason you better you maintain one card. If you are having dad or mother or your sister, brother, everyone having, so you cannot apply all the cards. If you apply also, you will not get any benefit. So better you go for the one membership card in the family. Better you approach your leader for dealing your business. If you want to think, you want to make it as a business, then you only have to approach your leader, because leader, under down to the leader there are many people, he cannot concentrate to the each and every person. So you have to go through him, you have to ask him what are the offers available, what are the steps you can put in the next, how you can improve your business, that and all you can ask him. So you will get idea, and then you will grow little faster. So follow monthly purchase. At a time, don't buy and bring and keep at your home. What happens is, over sometime there will be 3 offers, you will go for everything, you will go for, then you will bring everything and keep it at home, then you will not utilize within a month, it will be waste, it will carry to the next month. So next month you cannot purchase anything, because everything is there at home. Then the thing is, condition is here is, in Modicare you have to purchase monthly basis, then only you will get benefit, whatever down is getting purchasing, and then whatever purchasing or whatever business they are dealing, that benefit you must take, means you should do monthly purchase, then only they will give. So that is what, one proper list you make for that month and then purchase it, then remaining things you leave it for next month. And share your member ID. Suppose you can't purchase with the high amount, you can share your member ID to other family members, they can purchase, they can use the product, you can give the advertisement like that, and then they will be get interested, so you can make them to join under down to you. So this is the one more opportunity you can take. Go for offers and remembers the date. So there will be many offers will be there, so that in among that, which offer you really require, that one you follow. At a time, don't go for the multiple offers, you cannot grow up in the business if you do like that. So there are 2 offers are there for till 15th of the month will be the last date for free product, and from 25th will be the last date for the loyalty express. So make a note of that, and then which one you have to go for, think about that and do it. Don't go for the multiple offers at a time. So these many I told. Now where to shop Modicare products? You should know, right? How do you get all this product? Where will be Modicare shops are available? So there are many distribution points are available near to your house. You can go there and you can purchase from there, or online shopping is there nowadays. This is very common. If you purchase or if you put your things in a cart today, to next day it will come to your home. So that is the easiest. From home only you can do family shopping. So a penny saved is a penny earned. So here first you have to save your money, that saving only the your earning. Later only you can suggest the other person or the other people and then make them to save the money, that saving you can earn as a business. So that is very important word, a penny saved is a penny earned. What saving you are doing, that only you are earning here. So this is about the Modicare. So thank you so much everyone for hearing my presentation till now. If you want to discuss about anything about Modicare, you can share with me. I will go for that presentation. So I will discuss about that, anything like offer, how to improve your business, or any confusion if you have, you can put it in the comment. I will discuss in the next presentation. You can subscribe my channel MVP Adarsh Modicare for upcoming presentation. I will update all the details about the Modicare, each on each topic as I'm getting the time. So if you are putting in a comments whatever discussion you want, that will be best for me to prepare for that. Thank you so much, thank you so much for everything.